Still get it for the gusto. Young hot head, man, cutthroat. Riding that Nass on Dungo. Kick back and serve off them O's.
It's your boy Kenny Key coming with a banger today. In today's video, I got two dope blame pickups today. And figure I'm gonna cut straight into the video. First off, I know you guys was talking about them dreaming doing nines, but bro, these must some flames, I kid you not. Like, look at this, bro. These nines right here. Hello, cheap call. He said, this is it. On some real stuff, bro. A lot of people slept on the shoe. I do not know why. But at the same time, they sold out at malls. So they wasn't slept on, but they was slept on. Like, a lot of people saying it's trash. It's not trash. The material is trash. Like this leather. I wish you could hear it. It's like, nah, bro. Like, look, they ain't soft. Like, bro, if it was me, if I was like a designer for Jordan, I'd put Shattered back. They did their thing with this, bro. Like, for real. Like, bro, like that's a '90s varsity jacket or like a nice little like a rainy jacket or something. Now, you guys, they do have a Jordan jacket like this, and it's for you guys. The jacket they got, they busted heads. It's a hefty $110 for the jacket to match with this. Like, they campaigning for it. Dude, they was not playing with these bad boys. They was pushing out heavy stuff, heavy products, heavy pieces for the shoe. I don't blame them, cause like it's 90s vibes. Like, who don't fool with the 90s? That shoe a 2000, baby. Now you a 2000, baby. You on the other side of the river. You got too much dip on your chip, boy. Hey, boy, let that marinate like neck bone juice. Shout out Country Lane, by the way. But anyways, bro, these nines is hard for the 90s baby, bro. You know what I'm saying? If you're a 2000 baby, you can rock them. But you know, I'm a 90s baby, so I take it to heart. And these mugs will stay in my collection for a long time. Like, I'm not happy about the material at all. Like, that's hard. But at the same time, bro, the concept of the shoe, the designs, the colorways, everything about the shoe is dope. Like, I'm full with it, like heavy. Then also, bro, I don't think y'all knew about this, but where that dreamer do it right there, like look, like get closer. Look at this, bro. Like, let me see, bro. Like right there, bro. Look at this. Now that's just dope, bro. Like, not many shoes really do that. Unless you undefeated forwards or anything close to that, it's not gonna do that, bro. That's just dope. Like this shoe right here, this shoe is fire, bro. Like, it's fire, most definitely. So the Dreamer Duo 9s, most definitely, I say copy. If they still have it tomorrow, that you guys is it, copy. They worth it. Now, don't be looking for good quality or anything, because a little trash. Like on my pair, I don't have no glue stains, no paint bubbles. Now, I would say I have like a little smudge on the bumper, like right there, but it's really nothing. I fool with them. But you guys, these dropped last weekend. I want to say it was like 8. I don't know. But anyways, these mothers dropped last weekend. Oh yeah, I don't think I mentioned too. For some reason, at my local mall, they sold out. I'm like, bro, I thought nobody fooled with these shoes, but they sold out. They only had a size 14 left. So I guess it was hot. But anyways, toss those to the side. Let's get to the main thing. Bro, the Inertia 700, tell you the truth. These Inertia 700s, this is it. What? I fooled them. Now, the leather on these bad boys, it's crazy, bro. Like, bro, that's soft. Dude, like, suede, bro. That's soft. Everything about the shoe, bro. Yes, I'll make a love to the shoe. It's a shoe porn. But, dude, that sail, that little off-white color, that's fire, bro. A lot of people don't fool with these shoes. I honestly do not know why they do not pull with this shoe at all. Like, a lot of people say it's the colorway because like that grayish, bluish color, they don't like it. Or that little hint of peach is not, it's like, it's there, but it's like, And like, I don't see what they talking about. Me personally, this is like a fire pickup. Yes, this is my first pair of Yeezys, but at the same time, dog, this fire, bro. I don't care what anybody say. I will be rocking these mugs heavy, like heavy. Like these finna be some beaters. Nah, I ain't gonna do it like that. But anyway, bro, like these 700s is fire. And I will be getting an on-foot review for both the 700s and the 9s. So you guys, I did pick up my 700s in the size 11, and they fit perfect. With these shoes, with these 700s, bro, I say go a size up. Legit size. I wore a 10, 10 and a half, really a 10 and a half. And I got an 11. The 11 fit me just like a 10. And it fit me just like a 10 and a half, excuse me. So yes, go a size up, most definitely. Then let's go a size up, because if you get like a 10 and a half, you will have to take out the insole, and you will be mad about that. So go size up on the 700, guys. The inertia 700, bro. My thing is though, I fool with the wave runners better, cause like that colorway is like, it's so sick. But these, I fool with this colorway too. I fool. Despite what everybody else, like I was saying, despite what everybody else say about this shoe is a dope pickup. Get them if you want them. The resale value is not that high, and you most definitely could get them for almost retail just about. But once again, it's your boy Kenny Key coming with these bangers. And hello, once again, leave a like, subscribe. Once we reach 100 subscribers, I'm giving away $100 to a lucky subscriber. I'm not gonna pick nobody, it's gonna be random. So I give away $100 via Cash App. Hey, Cash App. Come here. Cash App. Subscribe, you boy. Hey, hook a brother up. Not us playing. But anyway, I'm gonna give away $100 on Cash App to anybody that subscribes to me. And once we do that, keep on coming. Keep on subscribing. Who knows? When I hit 1,000 subs, I might give away $1,000. I don't know about 1 million subs, but I ain't gonna give away $1 million. But you know what I'm saying? When I hit 1,000 subs, I give away $1,000. How about that? 100 subs, $100. 1,000 subs, $1,000. Sound good? Sound fair? Sound good to me. So hey, leave a like, subscribe. It's your boy Kenny Key, the first Little Rock. Once again, the first ever in Little Rock history, the first sneaker YouTuber in the rock. It's your boy Kenny Key. Hello, come with you with a banger.
Hey, for real though, hey, a lot of you niggas are weirdos. Stop a nigga out and still toast. It's on your head, they gon' lead out. Hey, for real though, hey, you niggas are like a Cheeto. Hey, feel they gon' brace it like CeeLo. Hey, yeah, like real, I don't bang no. Hey, for real though, she know, hey, he know, hey, you know, hey, you know, hey, you know, hey, uno.